Another day, another fight, another chance to make things right. We will be strong the way it should be, ready for the challenge, you and me. We will be heroes. We can change the world if we try. I go where you go, forever friends, you and I. We will be heroes. The moment's right, the time has come for us to stand together as one. So take my hand and follow me, together it all's our destiny. We will be heroes. We can change the world if we try. I go where you go, forever friends, you and I. We will be heroes.
Now this is what I call a melody.
We will be heroes. We can change the world if we try. I go where you go, forever friends, you and I. We will be heroes. Battle dimension Pokemon.
Tonight we're gonna draw a kricketune. I hardly ever get to see this Pokemon. I rarely ever get to have time to catch this Pokemon. I've rarely even seen this Pokemon before. This Pokemon's kind of new to me. Also, let's look what it says. Codenamed as the Cricket Pokemon, it crosses its knife-like arms in front of its chest. When it sings, it can compose melodies. Add LIB. That takes care of that.
I'm undefeatable. There's a feeling deep inside me, and it's always there to guide me. It's in my heart and in my soul, leading me to the ultimate goal. You try your best, this might be fun. You go down to defeat before you become.
And complete. That is how you draw a kricketune. Interesting. 4 minutes. That was fast. So for now, Stegosaurus, see you later. Oh yeah, scientists are still studying these metallic patterns that they use. One of my favorite moves is Bell Stinger. That's a bug type Pokemon move. I like it.